Use the plastic tweezers to remove the RF heads from the main antenna and diversity antenna. Remove the 3 black screws from the main antenna support and the 2 silver screws from the USB subboard BTB connector steel sheet, and then remove the steel sheet. Remove the main antenna support from the rear cover and remove the cable from the groove on the main antenna support. Open the lower speaker FPC B2B connector and the diversity antenna B2B connector. Remove the ZIF connectors by pulling the handle. Remove the 4 screws from the lower speaker. Remove the USB B2B connector steel sheet and the lower speaker from the rear cover in sequence. Pry up the USB subboard from its tail and remove the USB subboard. Tilt and insert the USB subboard into the rear cover. Align the USB subboard with the positioning rod and press the USB subboard to smooth it. Align the lower speaker with the screw rod and install it to the rear cover. Take the USB B2B connector steel sheet, align it with the positioning rod and install the steel sheet to the rear cover. Insert the buckle at the bottom of the antenna support into the slot on the rear cover. Align the antenna support with the positioning rod and press the support vertically. Take the USB subboard connector steel sheet, align it with the positioning rods on the rear cover, and install the steel sheet. Then fasten the 2 silver screws. Fasten the 6 black screws and 1 silver screw in the position shown in the figure. Fasten the main FPC B2B connector to the USB subboard. Install the main FPC B2B connector steel sheet and fasten 1 silver screw. Fasten the left and right RF heads of the USB subboard. Fasten the grounding ring in the middle of the coaxial cable into the metal cable groove on the rear cover. Then sort the cable to the PCBA and the USB subboard. Install the lower speaker FPC ZIF connector and the diversity antenna ZIF connector. Then close the ZIF connector cover. Attach 1 piece of the LCD conductive foam to the copper exposure areas of the diversity antenna and the USB subboard position of the rear cover. Attach the cable cushion foam to the black coaxial cable heads. Attach 1 piece of RF switcher foam to the edge of the main antenna support. The USB subboard is now installed.